As they say in Boston, it is wicked hot today. I'm Marc Kimball, and this is e-biking on the Kimballism channel. I did a video last year entitled Pain in My Butt, and in that show I was trying to solve a problem for my long e-bike rides. I ended up with a gel seat cover over the biking underwear that seemed to help me on my long rides. But for this season, I was looking for something even better. And I came across this one saddle seat that was getting great reviews called the Bikeroo. And I thought, I'll purchase it and install it on this bike and see if there's a difference. So let's head inside and let's install it. Well, it is nice to be inside where it is cool and comfy. And this is the Bikeroo saddle seat. So I want to take this and put it onto my 1S bike post. And as you can see, it already has the built-in railing. Now, if you don't have this style of post, you're covered because the Bikeroo comes with its own adapter system that will fit that. Now, it comes with its tools. It comes with a bag in case it rains. You want to protect the leather. And it comes with instructions. Now, I want to remove this. I'll use my tools for that and get this seat onto my bike post and then onto my e-bike, and then we're going to take it for a good long ride and see just how comfy the Bikeroo seat really is. Okay, now that we've put the bike post back onto the Fluid 1S, we need to adjust the seat. You want it to be slightly tilt up, so we can do that. See, like that. See, it just going up a little bit. If it's going down, you may fall off. It's not as comfortable. So with that being up just a little bit, so we can adjust. Maybe you don't like it. See, that's straight on. We want one click up. That's it. And now, we'll just finish and tighten this baby. Well, what do I think of the Bikeroo bike seat? So far, I'm liking the results. I've gone about 21 miles so far, and it's not bad. I'm really gonna have to test it for some really long bike rides to see if I really think this is gonna be the great solution for me. But for now, I think it's gonna do the job. Thank you so much for watching, taking time out of your day, and subscribing, and all your great comments have been super. That's it for today's video. It's time to end it with a Kimballism idiom.
Too many eggs spoil the pot.